So I'm gonna be showing you how to do glowing eyes and Lensflare eyes, kind of like this. So the first thing you want to do is go to your clip. I'm just going to turn off these black solids right now. Then you want to go to effects and presets, type in CC light rays. Then you want to grab this over to your clip. You will see something like this, don't worry about it. Just want to turn off the color from source and move it to the center of your eye. What I like to do for the eyes is make the radius pretty low. Something like this should be right. And then you can choose your color. I'm just gonna choose red because, you know. After you've done that, select your effect, then press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Then move it to the center of the other eye. And that's basically all for the glowing eyes, so I'm just going to delete them now. And then for the Lensflare eyes, just so you know, you're going to need optical flares, but I assume most of you have that, so just make a solid, a black solid. Then go to effects and preset, type in optical flare, add it to the solid, then go to render mode, transparent, go to options, and you basically want to delete all of this. What you want to add is 2 glows, just 1, 2, then a streak, and make the first glow 60. Press OK. Then just scale it. I like to make this really small. Then go to your position XY and move it to the center of your eye. Just gonna scale it to 10. Maybe 20. You just have to see what you want to do, honestly. I think 20 should be fine. For the brightness, I also tend to make this like really low. I think I'm gonna go with 15 for the brightness and scale this back up. That looks pretty nice. After you've done that, you just want to go select your black solid, right click, go to blending mode, and then choose lighten, or add, yeah. Select your color again, then duplicate the black solid and center it to the middle of your eye. And that's basically all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what tutorials you want to see and shit, you know.